girl, baby. Good girl.
Oh, good
Good
girl,
girl,
Dori.
Dori. Good girl. Yeah.
Oh, good girl. Good girl, Dori.
The puppy's out, everyone. It's alive and it's moving, and she's eating the sack. You can move the light, Mum. That's alright. Just pick it up. Good girl. There you go, everyone. Hello, puppy. Hi. So she's just eating the front of the sack now.
Yeah. Is he breathing? Check the sack off.
There we go.
Oh,
good boy. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Good boy. There we go. Big breath. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look what you did, sweetheart.
Good girl, Dori. Congratulations. You got a baby.
Is he all the way out?
Yeah, he's out.
Oh, good.
Give that a little bit more of a push out. There you go, Dori. Good girl.
Look what you did, Baba. That's a big
Really
baby.
smart puppy. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Dori. Good girl. Good girl, Dori. There you go, yeah. She's just cleaning up
Move this so everyone can see the puppy. I don't think they'll be able to see.
They can see.
Can they?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is her first litter, guys and girls. Good girl, Dori. So we're going to get the puppy out and feeding as soon as possible. Good girl, Dori. There you go, Daddy's helping. Good girl. It's still attached.
Hmm? Oh, she'll chew that.
Yeah.
She'll chew that off.
There you go, baby. Good girl.
See? Mummy knows just what to do. She got this. Good girl.
Good girl. Giving me kisses. Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
So it's a very healthy puppy, everyone, by the looks of it.
Very.
Good girl, Dori. Alright, let's get him out and matched on, eh? He is very attached in there.
Mm-hmm. What do you mean? Is he still inside her? Hmm?
There's another puppy just there.
Mm-hmm.
His umbilical cord stuck in her. Like he's...
Oh, but